My name is Norman Kiondo. I am the head of B2B Marketing Products and ICT for Honora Tanzania PLC, famously known as TIGO Tanzania. The product owners and product developers and product managers are sort of the CEOs of their own products, the owners of their P&L. And when that comes to question, now data becomes very important because they have to understand which product they'll go with, why they'll go with that product, and to whom will they sell it for their P&L to be very profitable. If you're launching a product that is not solving any customer pain point or any customer problem, then you're setting yourself up to failure because nobody will actually buy it. So we have to first understand what are the customer pain points, what are the issues. We have to understand the market trends at the time. What are your closest competitors doing in the industry that you're in, but also what are the developed markets also are doing, so that you understand how you can develop your product.